This week on the Craft Beer Channel. Inspired by an annoying text,
I didn't know anything about any birthday party.
we break all the rules,
Generally, the advice you'll get from people is, yeah, don't do that.
ask all the difficult questions,
You really could skip the spark
And
altogether.
what about the temperature of that mash?
and lose a little bit of sleep
Yeah, I sleep in a Little Earth Project t-shirt. What?
as we attempt to brew the fastest beer in the world.
Holy We think it's possible to make a beer in less than 48 hours. And more specifically, I'm going to try to brew one in 36. I'm going to get up in the morning, I'm going to brew a beer, and then the next day, I'm going to keg it and I'm going to drink it the next evening. Or am I?
Well, me.